This is an exhibition entitled Backlot. A backlot is a studio space that is used to make films on. And I'm using this to describe how Malta is used as a location for foreign films.
Mill-Greċja tal-Qedem għall-Lvant Nofsani, Malta kemm-il darba libset libsa differenti għal xi produzzjoni barranija. X'impatt għandu dan kollu fuq il-wirt kulturali tagħna? Il-kumplessitajiet ta' kif Malta tiġi rrappreżentata fiċ-ċinema huwa filfatt is-suġġett ta' esibizzjoni mill-artista Charlie Cauchi, bl-isem Backlot.
A lot of productions choose Malta to make films here. Most of the time Malta's not actually representing itself, it's playing other places. So, for example, one very famous example of this is Midnight Express, where Malta's Turkey, and there are countless other films where we're doubling as other places. Sometimes we do appear as ourselves, so Jurassic World is a recent example of that. So this exhibition looks at how the Maltese landscape is used in foreign films. What kinds of ways are we represented? But it also celebrates the people that make films. And when I say that, I don't mean the director and the producer. Those are the people that you normally hear about. But actually, there are so many other people that are involved in filmmaking. A very good example are the statues behind me. These are all props from Agora. They were all made here by Maltese craftsmen. We have Gladiator here at the moment. There are lots of people working on that. So it's also a celebration of the industry itself and the people that work on films, no matter what designation they are given. I studied film at Queen Mary University of London, and I specifically focused on Malta as a filming location. And I really wanted to find a way to bring all that research and that knowledge to the public in a more interactive and playful way. And I really love cinema, so this is a celebration of film, and there's some romance in there somewhere. So that's why I created Backlot. Also, I think it's perfect timing given the amount of films that are currently here. It's really pertinent, I think, to what's going on at the moment. What's been really great is to be able to blend fact and fiction, real props used on films that were shot here, and combine them with new works that have been made. So there's a lot of playfulness that runs throughout the show. One of my favorite things in the exhibition is actually a structure. It's a cave. It's featured in a film that hasn't been released yet. And it was made locally. It looks so real. And then as soon as you go up right to it, you can see that it's actually made of it's made of jablo. But it's so beautifully crafted. So the things that I really love in this show are things that were made by hand and will stand the test of time as well, I think. Also, there's a massive shark head outside, and it just adds something to the square, which you wouldn't normally see. So yeah, I think the props are what really are a fun thing to come and look at. Backlot is open at Spazio Creative in Space C, and it is open till the 25th of June.